So this one, I'm going to talk about the maximum error first. Okay. So first of all, you should know that when you make the measurement, okay, when you make the measurement, sometimes you know, like if you do it like you have the ruler, and for this ruler, maybe you have each interval equals to 1 cm. Okay, maybe it is in cm. And then when you have a pencil like this one, okay, you may say this is about 4 cm, but how do you know that the maximum error? So actually, when we talk about the maximum error, we are talking about the mid part, okay, like this one. Okay, so this is the region, okay, actually, for each part there should be the region, okay, and if you can see it, just like the normal cases, okay, the range actually equals to 1/2 of it, okay, like this one. It says one part, and then you can cut it into two. One part cut it into two. So how to find the maximum error? Actually, this is just like 5 minus 4 times 1/2, or 4 minus 3 times 1/2. Okay, so they are always the same. Okay, so how to find out the maximum error? Just consider 1/2 multiplied by the interval. Okay, so this is the interval, this is the interval. Okay, so that's it.